You finally got your first paycheck. It feels good, right? Maybe it's more money than you've ever held at once. But here's the truth, what you do with it will either set you up for long-term wealth or trap you in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. And most people, they blow it fast. Don't be most people. The first mistake is thinking that your paycheck is entirely yours to spend. It's not. If you want to build real financial security, the moment money hits your account, it needs a plan. Without one, it disappears into takeout, gadgets, impulse buys, and subscriptions you'll forget you signed up for. So, what should you actually do? Start by splitting your money into 4 clear purposes: essentials, saving, investing, and spending. Essentials are your non-negotiables: rent, groceries, transportation. These should never take more than 50% of your income if possible. If they do, it's time to rethink your budget or living situation. Next, pay yourself yes first. Before you spend a dime on wants, set aside money for your future. Put 20% into savings and investments. Start an emergency fund if you don't have one. Aim for at least 3 months of living expenses because life has curveballs, layoffs, medical bills, car repairs. And once that's in place, begin investing. Use a Roth IRA or a brokerage account. Index funds are your friend. They're low cost and grow with the market over time. Now let's talk about spending, the fun part. Yes, you can treat yourself, but set a limit. Maybe 20 to 30% of your paycheck goes to things you enjoy: dining out, travel, or that new gadget. The key is intentional spending. Spend with joy, not regret. One more money is for taxes and retirement. If you're self-employed or freelancing, set aside money for taxes now or you'll regret it later. And if your employer offers a 401k match, that's free money. Take it. Max it out if you can. Building wealth doesn't start when you hit 6 figures, it starts with your first paycheck. Every dollar is a decision. Are you using it to buy stuff or buying freedom? Don't fall into the trap of thinking you'll save later when you earn more. Most people who think that just end up with bigger paychecks and bigger problems. Start small, stay consistent, and in a few years, you'll be way ahead of everyone who wasted theirs. So, what will you do with your first paycheck? Like, share, and subscribe if you're ready to make every dollar count.